does it feel that you got the darling of the press for this day?
I'm really, really, extremely grateful
Yeah.
na makuha yung support ng mga press natin and sobrang na-appreciate ko yung lahat.
Nakitaan ka nila kagad ng potential, isn't it? That ayun yung siguro one step forward for you.
Thank you so much. I've been working for this my entire life and I think isa to sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa akin para mag-pivot sa career ko moving forward.
So, have you joined any other pageants before joining here at Mr. Chinatown Philippines?
Yeah, last year I joined Century 20 Superbuds.
Wow.
Unfortunately, we didn't get the crown, but very fortunate at the same time na we get to experience a pageant like that. We can use moving forward para magamit natin yung experience sa ibang pageant, the future.
Sure, what does being a Filipino Chinese means to you?
Being your own self, being authentic, being who you are as a person, and being a good person to everyone.
There are a lot of misconceptions about Filipino Chinese. So, is that na gusto mo ma-erase na totally sa mga pag-iisip ng mga tao?
Well, we are all entitled to our own opinions naman
Yeah.
po. As long as we can inspire a lot of people, I think that's the most important thing moving forward.
Probably this is the time, it is the platform for you to tell sa kanila na ang tunay na adhikain at puso ng inang Filipino Chinese, isn't it?
Absolutely, yes po.
Yeah. What do you think is the best part of being a Filipino Chinese aside from napakagwapo ninyo at napakagaganda?
Well, syempre, una-una po siguro yung culture. The way we treat the people, the way we show kindness to everyone else. Feeling ko yun po yung mahalaga. And yun po yung nakikita ko na pwede kong pagmalaki bilang isang Filipino Chinese.
Now, if ever that you were gonna win the Mr. Chinatown Philippines, what are you going to do?
Well, my own advocacy po talaga is to pay attention, especially sa mental health awareness. A lot of people have been struggling with this illness po every single day. Kaya gusto ko po maka-inspire, especially me. I've been battling every single day. I just choose to just show up. And yun po yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo lahat na I want to inspire a lot of people na everything's gonna be okay every single day as long as you show up.
Just to light things up, are you single or are you in a relationship?
Yes, I am currently single po.
I'm single, wow, bongga yan ha. So the question is there any chances of you marrying a 100% Filipina or would rather choose 100% Chinese or a Filipino Chinese would be okay for you?
It's not for me to decide. As si God na po siguro bahala as long as kasi po, love po, andyan na po yan eh. So, if darating, wala, focus tayo sa career.
Yeah, so mga girls out there will be waiting for Naya, di ba? Well, they'll be also praying na dumating ang isang katulad mo. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, Naya. Thank you so much for this interview. And we will be waiting for you on the coronation of the Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines. Can you please invite everyone?
Hi guys, my name is Naya Ching again. I'm inviting you guys to watch us to the coronation night of Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines 2025 and see you.
See you there.
See you guys.
Sheshe.
Sheshe.
Yeah.